Tsaritsyno Park in Moscow is one of the most beautiful and atmospheric places for strolling, exploring history and culture. Here are some of the most interesting features and places worth visiting. 1. Palace Complex. The Grand Palace is the main architectural symbol of Tsaritsyno. Built in the Gothic Classicism style, its history is linked to Catherine the Great, who planned to create her country residence here. The Bread House and the Opera House are unique buildings that complement the complex and are used for exhibitions and concerts. 2. Landscape Park, Ponds and Canals. The park has several picturesque ponds connected by canals. It is especially beautiful in spring and fall. Alleys and bridges, county paths, bridges, and gazebos create an atmosphere of privacy and romance. 3. Greenhouse Complex. Greenhouses, rare plants are grown here, and exhibitions and master classes are held here in winter. The Palm House is one of the largest in Europe, displaying exotic plants. 4. Museum Reserve. The park regularly hosts exhibitions dedicated to the history of Moscow, art, and culture. For example, here you can see collections of decorative and applied art, antique books, and household items. 5. Events and festivals. In the summer, Tsaritsyno hosts open-air concerts, theatrical performances, and festivals. For example, the Tsaritsyno Opera Festival. In the winter, New Year's fairs and ice sculptures are held here. 6. Nature and photo zones. The park is famous for its beautiful views. Here you can take stunning photos against the backdrop of the architecture, gardens, and autumn foliage. 7. Restaurants and cafes. The park has countless cafes where you can grab a snack or have tea after a walk. Tip: if you're planning a visit to Tsaritsyno, it's best to set aside a full day. There's truly a lot to see. Have you been to this park or are you planning a visit soon?